we got done up potting our tomato plants, and what we're going to do now, we've got some old limbs here. We're going to put them down that ditch first, and then we've got some sawdust from the sawmill, and we're going to pour some of that in there. Then we'll start adding our dirt. I need to collect some rocks and put down here in the end, where if it was to pour the rain and it comes in, it won't wash all of our dirt out. Let's get started. Dixie, you better get up out of the sun, honey. I'm going to pour some sawdust in the bottom of these here, and actually some of our tubs that we're going to do this year, I'm going to do the same principle in them, except I'm going to put some bigger pieces of wood in there. Dixie, honey, get in the shade. There you go, lay down there, that's good. I'm going to go get the sawdust now, and we'll pour that down in the bottoms of it here, and then we'll start adding our dirt. Folks, me and Dan's gonna run and get some more sawdust. We'll be back. See you shortly. That'll give you a sort of the idea. Chicken thinks it's corn. It's not. Let me give Dixie her stuff. Here, Dix. Tomorrow evening when I get off work, I'll have to run up to Miller's Farm Supply and get some more of the raised bed mix. We about had enough. Probably 5 or 6 more bags and we'll have it. There's a few low places I want to go back up through and get also. But we're going to need some for our barrels that we're cutting up. And it wasn't an outrageous price on it, or it wasn't the last time we was up there. Yeah. But hopefully that there will give you, let me take you up through here, show you. Maybe this, maybe this will give you an idea basically how it's going to be. I wish I'd have had a 6-inch bucket for the backhoe. I've got a 1 foot and a 2 foot. Oh well, that little bit extra space, that'd be fine. We can double row the beans outside and inside. But right there will show you there what we've got in mind anyway. And folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Stay safe. Watch out for the idiots out there.